Hi guys, I'm getting on the Mineplex server right now. What we are going to do is... Why can't I move? I'm not moving. Weird. Oh, there we go. Okay, We are going to be doing speed builders. Last video, we did Sky Wars, and I hope you guys liked it. Oh, it's starting. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to build you have to memorize this. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, it's a unicorn. Okay, let me look around. Oh, okay. And then you have to build it. See? Oh yeah. Sorry, it's a little bit cheating, but yeah, you can do this. Okay. There you go. Okay. And then I think that. Then. Oh, no, it's not like that. Oops. Okay. Like that. I don't know. I forgot. Oh, shoot. Like that. I don't know. Oh, dang it. Oh, no. Oh, dang it. I got a 40. Oh, dang it. I just got eliminated. Let's try this again. That's just weird. Okay. Alright. Leave a like if I can make this jump. Now you guys have to leave a like. Here we go. Okay. Okay. I can do that. Oops. Ah, no. And then... This is an easy... Whoops. This is an easy build. This is what you call easy. Okay. And then... There you go. Perfect build. See? Dude, just look at mine. No problem. There's no problem. Dude, look at mine. I don't care if you look at mine. What are you doing? He's not even... I just ask myself, why do people play this if they're doing nothing and they don't even remember anything of it? Dude, no. That's not how you do it. Which one? Oh, his. Bye-bye. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh, another animal? You've got to be kidding me. Okay. Let me just look at... I think it was this and this, and then... I'm just trying to remember what it looked like. Like that, and then... This is very hard. I don't... I'm somewhere on the beach. Hey. Oh no. I think I did it wrong. It's fine. Let me at least put the other eye on. That's not how it is. Oh, I got 62%. Oh. Okay. I was doing okay, I guess. Alright, remember. Okay, I can remember this. Yeah, this is easy. Easy build. I think it was right. No, it was not. It was over here. Like this. And then they had one right there. And then. Oops. And like that. Oh, I got perfect build. Yes. There you go. Okay, what are other people doing? That's done. Okay. Oh, that person's got loose over there. I think he is over there. Actually, no. They're all good. We all did it. I think we all got a perfect build. Whoops. I think we all got a perfect build. Did we? Oh, not yet. I don't think those two got perfect builds yet. Okay. Oh! I got 100% correct. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no. How? Okay, 4, 3, 2, okay. Oh, we have to memorize the grass too. And then like that. And then like that. That's exactly how it was. I don't know. Pig. No. Pig. No. Pig. No. Pig. No. Pig. No. Pig. You're killing me, pig. Okay, that's the best. I don't know where the grass was. Yikes. I think I'm probably gonna get eliminated. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna lose. Yep. Oh, 70%. Oh, dang it. Alright, let's play another game. Whoa. Hey, I landed right here. Oh, he looks cool. It looks like he has a mask on, but I don't know if that's just a jacket or, you know, a mask. Hi. Okay, goodbye. I literally spawned right on the edge. Okay, what is this? Really? I think anybody could build this. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, I know what to do. Take these. And then, oh, wait. How do you do that? Oh, wait. There we go. And then right there. And then you spawn right on top. No. No. Right on top. No. Right on top. There you go. That's a perfect fit. Oh. I did it wrong. Go away. It's over here. Oh, wait. I think I just put it right there. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, phew. He didn't even do anything. Well, probably, he's just flying, so probably it just, like, got off. Like, oh, okay. Yep, that's easy. Railroad track. Okay. think it was that long, and then hold on. No, not like that. It's like that, and then I think that's how it was. And then yeah, like that, and then like no, not like that. Oh shoot. I thought this would be easy. Oh, 51%. Oh, he didn't even do anything. Oh, okay. Whoa. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Alright. Wait, one more up. Let me just do the yellow first. Oops. Like that, and then perfect build. Booyah. That's not how it, dude, that's not how it was. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, last one. Oh, snap. Okay. That's easy to build a well, but the villager placing, Like, I know how to do the well, but it is very hard to place the exact villagers. Okay, one was right here. Right? Okay, I think one was right about there. And another one was over here. Let's just say like that. He copied me. I feel like he copied me. Okay, who's gonna win? What? You copier! Well, that will wrap it up for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And bye-bye.